Okay, now it's recording.
Now?
Now it's recording. Okay, let's try this again. It says it's recording.
Are you going to take a video this time?
This time. Yeah, I thought I had it on video, but apparently I did not. Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3. I slipped that time.
You did?
I slipped and did a belly flop.
Ugh. Don't slip and hit your head.
I know.
You guys must be getting exhausted. No?
Yep.
Yep. You want to take a break?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'll swim out to shore.
No. You can't swim to shore.
Why?
Because it's too deep.
I did just a second ago.
But you were with Grandma, honey. Don't make me nervous.
I think I want to stay on the dock, though. Can I see the video?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll stay on the dock with you, Aaron.